Ductless mini splits provide many benefits over other air conditioning systems. For one, they are easier and cheaper to install than traditional HVAC systems. This is especially true for multiple rooms that require heating or cooling. Secondly, they are much more efficient than other air conditioners. There are many products available on Amazon to choose the best mini split air conditioner, each with different characteristics, benefits and prices, to help you make a perfect decision. I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best mini split air conditioner from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video and stay till the end of this video. Number 1. Single Zone Mini Splits. As the name suggests, single zone mini splits are designed for cooling and heating a single space or room. It consists of one outdoor unit and one indoor unit. Some single zone mini splits offer only cooling, while others include a heat pump to provide supplemental heating. Features include inverter technology for improved energy efficiency and longer lifespan, built-in Wi-Fi connectivity, and Amazon Alexa and Google Home voice assistant support. As part of the Friedrich Floating Air Pro series, it also has Fast Pro technology for easier installation and maintenance. The mini split is designed to provide easy access to the entire indoor unit, including piping, wire terminal, the fan and fan components. This makes installation of the refrigerant lines and wiring faster and much more manageable. Interior parts like the return air filters and the entire blower wheel assembly can be easily removed for cleaning or servicing, and reinstalled quickly. Number 2. Dual Zone Mini Splits. Dual Zone Mini Splits can service 2 zones of rooms. Both indoor air handlers are connected to a single outdoor unit, and each zone has its own temperature setting. It features Friedrich's precision inverter technology, offering a variable speed compressor to keep up with your comfort control needs, while still being energy efficient, depending on your installations of non-ducted, ducted, or mixed units. As a dual zone unit, the FPHMR18A3A gives you the option of adding zone comfort control to your home or office in 2 separate spaces. The outdoor unit features low ambient operation, making it a great year-round option for heating and cooling for most of the US. It will operate in the cooling mode when outdoor temperatures are as low as 14 degrees Fahrenheit up to 115 degrees Fahrenheit. The range in which this unit will heat is equally as wide, and it will heat when temperatures are as low as -13 degrees Fahrenheit up to 75 degrees Fahrenheit. Friedrich multi-zone compressors include a built-in troubleshooting control board, standard. This control board gives you the ability to check several parameters on all units from the pump to each connected indoor unit. It is a valuable feature that is typically not included with other brands of mini split compressors. While you will find other manufacturers do offer a troubleshooting control board, it is typically an add-on option. Number 3. Multi-Zone Mini Splits. Multi-zone mini splits can service multiple rooms. Depending on the brand and BTU capacity, a multi-zone mini split compressor can handle up to 8 indoor units. While rated at 36,000 BTU cooling capacity, this quad-zone system can handle a total connected capacity of up to 48,000 BTUs. The system will adjust its load as needed. The system offers heating and cooling operation range down to -13 degrees Fahrenheit, while delivering 100% heating capacity at temperatures as low as -5 degrees Fahrenheit. Each indoor unit is controlled with its own remote or wired wall thermostat, available separately. Additionally, the multi-zone systems can be operated with a BCC Wi-Fi thermostat and is compatible with a 24V thermostat. This Energy Star certified multi-zone mini split features inverter drive technology, provides optimum power control and extremely efficient operation by automatically changing the condenser power. The result is speedy, flexible operation that uses less electricity. While rated at 36,000 BTU cooling capacity, the quad-zone system, 8,733,942,705, BMS 500 AAM0361 CSXRA, can handle a total connected capacity of up to 48,000 BTUs. The system will adjust its load as needed. For example, if you connect 3 12,000 BTU units and a 9,000 BTU unit, you can run them all simultaneously with the 36,000 BTU condenser. This system cannot take 4 12,000 BTU indoor units. The system will allocate its 36,000 BTUs appropriately for your 4 spaces. If you are using only one room at any given time, that room will receive the total capacity of the indoor unit. Once the second, third or fourth is turned on, the system will automatically adjust to each room's needs. If one needs more or less, you do not need to make any adjustments, the system adjusts on its own. If they all require the same amount of conditioning, the system will split its 36,000 BTUs evenly, up to the total capacity of each indoor unit or 9,000 BTUs each. The 36,000 BTU condenser features inverter drive technology, provides optimum power control and extremely efficient operation by automatically changing the condenser power. The result is speedy, flexible operation that uses less electricity. Number 4. Mini split heat pump. A mini-split heat pump offers a cooling and heating solution in one. The heat pump can provide supplemental heat during the cold season. The heat pump functions by reversing the closed-loop coolant system. Instead of the refrigerant getting heat from indoors, it collects heat from the outdoors and delivers it inside the home. With inverter drive technology, Bosch's Climate 5000 systems are Energy Star rated. They can operate at low ambient temperatures and delivers 100% heating capacity at temperatures as low as -5 degrees Fahrenheit, with no additional hardware or accessories required. It also includes a factory-installed base pan heater that keeps the condensate from freezing in extreme conditions. This system will also cool at low temperatures for national usability. This model is equipped with a self-cleaning mode that helps to remove additional particles internally and excess moisture, with bluefin technology, reducing or eliminating mildew. With today's focus on indoor air quality, the Bosch units help alleviate some of the causes of unhealthy air. Other features include intelligent eye mode, where an infrared sensor detects the activity or lack of activity of people in a room, and automatically adjusts the fan speed to accommodate what is happening in the room, and humidity control, which allows the system to increase the comfort level by lowering the humidity, not the temperature. Number 5. Mini-split concealed duct. One of the cons of a mini-split system is being conspicuous and interrupting the interior decor of a home. The concealed duct mini-split is more discreet by hiding the whole system almost completely behind a wall or ceiling, with only the grill being visible. This also allows the room space to be maximized, making it an ideal choice for smaller homes or tighter spaces. This concealed duct model with heat pump offers 14,400 BTUs cooling capacity and 18,000 BTUs heating. It will efficiently cool a room that is about 550-700 SQ. Feed and boasts an ER of 12.7 and a CR rating of 20.2 with an HSPF of 10.3. Out of the box, this mini-split system will keep cooling with outdoor temperatures between 50 degrees Fahrenheit and 115 degrees Fahrenheit, and will heat with temperatures as low as 5 degrees Fahrenheit up to 65 degrees Fahrenheit. Low ambient cooling capabilities are also available with this system. By cutting a jumper or changing a dip switch setting, this unit will cool down to 14 degrees Fahrenheit. The major advantage to the FDMQ medium static unit is the ability for longer duct runs, giving the consumer numerous installation opportunities and the ease of implementing high MERV filters. The ducted ceiling system is designed to quietly blend into the ambience of shops, restaurants, small offices or home environments. Daikin's ducted unit is easily concealed in a ceiling in a non-distracting way. When paired with the inverter variable speed compressor RX15R MVJU in a single zone application, this system will deliver the capacity required and reduce energy consumption. The slim profile of this unit, less than 10 high, allows for installation in tighter ceiling spaces than other ducted units. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much more easier. Stay tuned.